Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable voice dial on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, you want to tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Now we're going to put in the lock screen password or passcode. Then swipe up to go down and tap on voice dial. So tap on the switch to turn it on or off. If it is on, you can use Siri to make voice dial. So you can either press on the side button here, press and hold to bring up Siri, or you can say, "Hey Siri." So, "Hey Siri, call IT Jungle's Android."
Calling at Jungle's Android. Home.
Or you can also ask it to dial a number. So you say, "Hey Siri, call 555-678.
Just to confirm, you'd like to call 555-678?
Uh-huh.
Who would you like to call?
Go away.
I will not then.
So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.